Hello dear learners. Today we are on the 8th lecture of chapter electricity, and in today's lecture I am going to discuss with you people some important numericals which are on the basis of the formula V is equal to IR and R is equal to rho L over A. See, here I have shown you little calculations, means general things I have discussed here. R is equal to rho L over A. A is the cross sectional area of the cross section of the wire. Fine, if this is the wire, this is your cross sectional area, and this area will be equivalent to pi r square. Okay, and if diameter is given, then see, we know radius is half of the diameter. Okay, so here r square is written, so if I will be writing d square by 4, then also no harm is there, or it can further be manipulated as 4 will go up, that is r is equal to 4 rho L over pi d square. So I am going to discuss the numericals. The very first numerical is very important question, and normally being asked either in the September exams or final or the pre-boards. So try to concentrate well on this numerical. What is your question? See, a 4 ohm resistance wire is doubled on it. What is given? Resistance of a wire is given. It is 4 ohm. A 4 ohm wire is doubled on it. Try to understand how a 4 ohm wire is doubled on it. Just wait. I am going to show you one example. Just wait for a moment. See. This, let us say this is a 4 ohm wire. Okay, now this 4 ohm wire is doubled on it this way, मतलब उसी के ऊपर उसे double कर दिया गया. Then a 4 ohm wire is doubled on it this way. It has been doubled. It means that its length has become half. I hope you are understanding. Its length, that is new length, it has become half. Okay, then just see. This is your wire. Again I am repeating, a 4 ohm wire this is. It is doubled on it. This way it has been doubled. So its length has become half. Now area of cross section, it has become doubled. I hope you are getting. Its area of cross section has become doubled. So area, new area will be doubled. Okay. Then what he is saying you to find out the new resistance. So how you will be finding out the new resistance? You know, see, r dash you want to find out, it will be given by rho L dash over A dash. Fine. Now let us put the values. Rho L dash is what? L dash is L by 2, A dash is 2A. I hope you are getting. Fine. Then when you are going to just solve it, it will come out to be like this, rho L over 4A. Okay, and here what we have written, R is equal to 4 ohm. R is actually what? R is equal to rho L over A. मतलब rho L over A की value क्या है? 4 ohm है. So I am going to take it, put this value 4. Rho L over A is 4 upon 4 it is already given. So new resistance will come out to be 1 ohm. Why I have put 4? Because rho L over A is equal to 4 ohm and it is given to you. Please try to understand this question. This is very important question. So question number 2. Question number 2 is, how much current? You want to find out what? You want for A part, you want to find out current. Okay. So see, how much current will an electric bulb draw from 220 volt source? What is given? Voltage is given. It is how much? 220 volt. Okay, see. Then what next is given? Next is 220 volt source if the resistance of bulb filament is 1200 ohm. What is given? R is given, it is 1200 ohm. What you want to find out? I. Which formula you will be applying? V is equal to IR. You want to find I? So I will be given by V by R. So V is equivalent to 220 divided by 1200. It will be cancelling out, and when you will be calculating, your answer will come out to be 0.18 amperes. Okay, G. Now your next question, that is B part for this question. See B part. Kita, how much current will an electric heater coil draw from 220 volt source? How much current? Again you want to find out current. Okay, voltage source is same, having voltage of 220 volt. And what he is saying here? He is saying if the resistance of the heater coil is 100 ohm. Now here he has changed the resistance. It is 100 ohm. So how you will be calculating? V is equal to IR. So I will be again given by V by R. Okay, I will be, what is the value for V? 220 divided by 100. 0 cancel. So it will be 2.2 amperes. These are the simplest question. I hope you have understood these questions and no problem is there in understanding. Now next question, very important question and very good question also. This is from your textbook example. This is your example number 12.5 of page number 208. And in NCERT, in old NCERT's answer is wrong. So please make it correct when you will be solving it. Let us solve this question. The resistance of a metal wire. Solution we are going to find out. Resistance of a metal wire of length 1 meter is 26 ohm. I hope you are getting. Resistance. किसकी resistance? Metal wire की. जिसकी लेंथ कितनी है? 1 मीटर. लेंथ इज 1 मीटर. उसकी रेजिस्टेंस कितनी है? 26 ओम. ओके जी. And if the diameter of the wire is 0.3 millimeter. Okay, and we know 1 millimeter is equal, if we have to convert it into meter, then we will be multiplying it with 10 raised to power minus 3, and if we want to eliminate this decimal also, then it will be 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meters. I hope these things are very clear to you. You are mature enough to understand this. Okay, ji. Then what will be the resistivity of the metal at this temperature? Means temperature he has given, but we are not going to use. Reason, we know the formula R is equal to rho L over A. Fine. But the thing is, here he has given us the diameter. So it will be rho L over pi d square by 4. Why so? Because earlier also I have told radius is half of diameter. अगर radius का square लिया तो it will be d square by 4. This is what I have written. It can also be written as 4 rho L over pi d square. Fine. And you want to find out rho? Your formula will be, you cross multiply r pi d square over 4L. And you can write this formula straight away also if you are able to learn it. And if by chance you are forgetting it in the exam, then you can derive it. Okay, so I am repeating here again, R is equal to rho L over A. Rho L, A is pi r square. Here R is what? R is d by 2. ठीक है ना, क्योंकि रेडियस क्या है? डायमीटर का हाफ होता है, तो रेडियस का स्क्वायर क्या हो गया? d square by 4. Then we are going to take this 4 up, 4 rho L pi d square. Now rho की वैल्यू निकालनी है तो क्या हो जाएगा? Rho is equal to r pi d square over 4L. This thing I am going to take above again. So your formula for rho is 4 pi d square over 4L. Okay. Rho you want to find out. 3.14 D. D is what with us? 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 square. 4L. L is 1. Okay G. So you can check these values. This 4 and this 4 will be cancelling. 3.14 multiplied by 3 square is 9, multiplied by 10 minus 4 multiplied by 2, it is minus 8. And when you will be solving it, it will come out to be roughly 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 6 ohm meter. Please check it. Okay G. So this is how we have gone for the calculations. So make sure these type of numericals are very important for exams. So prepare these numericals well. We will be proceeding with numericals in next lectures also. So till that time, thank you. God bless you.